Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. A bag contains 3 red balls and 5 black balls. A ball is drawn at random from the bag. What is the probability that the ball drawn is, first question, red, second question, not red? Answer. Here, number of red balls 3, number of black balls 5. So total balls 3 plus 5 equal to 8. First question, probability of red. The formula is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. So that is equal to 3 by 8. Then second question, probability of not red. Not red means it is black. So the answer is 5 by 8. A bag contains 5 red marbles, 8 white marbles and 4 green marbles. One marble is taken out of the box at random. What is the probability that the marble taken out will be, first question, red, second question, white, third question, not green? Here, number of red marbles 5, number of white marbles 8, number of green marbles 4. So total marbles 5 plus 8 plus 4 equal to 70. The formula to find out probability is number of favorable outcomes by total number of outcomes. First question, probability of red. So the answer is 5 by 17. Probability of white 8 by 17. Third question, probability of not green. Not green means it is red or white. Red marbles 5, white marbles 8. So total 30. So the probability of not green is 13 by 17. A piggy bank contains 100 50 paise coins, 50 rupees 1 coins, 20 rupees 2 coins and 10 rupees 5 coins. If it is equally likely that one of the coins will fall out when the bank is turned upside down, what is the probability that the coin, first question, will be a 50 paise coin. Second question, will not be a rupees 5 coin. So here, number of 50 paise coins 100, number of 1 rupee coins 50, number of 2 rupee coins 20 and number of 5 rupee coins 10. So total coins 100 plus 50 plus 20 plus 10 equal to 180. First question, probability of 50 paise coin. 50 paise coins number 100. So the probability is 100 by 180 to the lowest form. The answer is 5 by 9. Second question, probability of not a rupees 5 coin. Not a rupees 5 coin means it can be 50 paise coin or 1 rupee coin or 2 rupee coin. So probability of 50 paise or probability of rupee 1 or rupees 2. So that is equal to 100 plus 50 plus 20 whole divided by 180. That is equal to 170 by 180 to the lowest form, that is equal to 17 by 18. Gobi buys a fish from a shop for his aquarium. The shopkeeper takes out one fish at random from a tank containing 5 male fish and 8 female fish. What is the probability that the fish taken out is a male fish? So here number of male fish equal to 5. Number of female fish equal to 8. Total 5 plus 8 equal to 13. The question is probability of male fish, that is equal to 5 by 13. A game of chance consists of spinning an arrow which comes to rest pointing at one of the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and these are equally likely outcomes. What is the probability that it will point at? First question 8. Second question, an odd number. Third question, a number greater than 2. Fourth question, a number less than 9. So first question is probability of 8. Here we know there are 8 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. But the number 8 is coming only one time. So the probability of 8 is 1 out of 8. Second question, probability of an odd number. Here the odd numbers in this list are 1, 3, 5, 7. Total there are 4 numbers. So the probability is 4 by 8 to the lowest form, that is equal to 1 by 2. Third question, probability of a number greater than 2. Here the number greater than 2, they are 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total 6 numbers. So the probability is 6 by 8 to the lowest form, that is equal to 3 by 4. Last question, probability of a number less than 9. Here all numbers are less than 9. So we can write the probability equal to 8 by 8, that is equal to 1. A die is thrown once. Find the probability of getting, first question, a prime number. Second question, a number lying between 2 and 6. Third question, an odd number. Here a die is thrown once. So the outcomes are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. First question, probability of a prime number. Here the prime numbers are 2, 3, 5. Total 3 numbers. So the probability is 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Second question, probability of a number lying between 2 and 6. Numbers lying between 2 and 6 are 3, 4, 5. 3 numbers. So the probability is 3 by 6, that is also equal to 1 by 2. Third question, probability of an odd number. Here the odd numbers are 1, 3, 5. Total 3 numbers. So the probability is 3 by 6, that is equal to 1 by 2. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.